Okay, so let's have a look at this question now. How many different teams of 5 can be selected from a squad of 12? Okay, so we think selected. Teams, there's no positions, right? There's no captain, defence, or anything like that. So we can pull out the tool which does the job, and that's the combinations tool, where we're just choosing a group, choosing a committee, choosing a team. So that's 12C5. Straight to a calculator. Those want to be fancy. 12 factorial over 7 factorial, 5 factorial. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7 factorial over 7 factorial, 5 factorial. 7 cancels with a 7 here. And then you can make this 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And you can see various things cancelling. 5 times 2 is 10, right? And the 4 times 3 is the 12. So finally you've got an answer, 11 times 9 times 8. Again, if it's a non-calculator type of thing, then that would be quite helpful, I think, right? So B, 1. How many of these teams contain the captain and vice captain? Okay, so this is, we've got to imagine that from the initial 12 people, there's a named captain and vice captain, right? So that's what we've got to kind of project our brains into thinking. We'll put 2 here. So if there's already a captain and vice captain named in the previous squad of 12, which is usually the thing, right? Then the captain, the vice captain is already 2 people. So we're just choosing 3 people, right? From the remaining 10 people. Yeah, because there was 12 people. We've taken 2 people out, so there's only 10 people remaining. So the answer is 10C3, 10 choose 3. Okay, go straight to your calculator and go to the pre-programmed button, 10C3, or 10 factorial over 7 factorial, 3 factorial, which is 10 times 9 times 8. The 7's cancel with the 3 times 2 times 1. The 2 and the 8, 4 and 1. The 3 and the 9, 3 and 1. And you can see that is actually 120 here. And part 2, exactly one of the captain or the vice captain. Right, so exactly one of the captain or the vice captain. So exactly one means captain has to be here. The vice captain is up here. Let's just put this out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people in a squad. All right. So imagine the captain is here. We are going to put the vice captain on the side, and then from 10 people left, we've got to choose 4. Does that make sense? So the captain has to be there, and then we've got 10 choose 4. And then let's do it a different way around. What if we put the vice captain in here, and we put the captain on the side, not to include in the squad? 1, 2, 3, 4. And from the 10 remaining people, we've got to choose 4. So can you see that? It's 10 choose 4 plus another 10 choose 4. So that's a little bit of a thinking question, isn't it? We went directly at this one because it seemed that we could list it. So let's have a look. 10 choose 4. 10 times 9 times 8 times 7. The 6 factorials cancel. Divided by 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. 4 times 2 is 8. 3 and the 9 is 3, so that's 210. But remember, we times it by 2, so that's 420.